Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to remove OBS Virtual Camera from Google Chrome. Let's get started. First, launch Google Chrome. Then click the three dots in the top right corner. Then select Settings. In the Settings page, go to the search bar and type Camera. Click on Site Settings, then scroll down and click on Camera. Under the Camera drop-down, you'll see OBS Virtual Camera selected. Simply click the drop-down and choose different camera. Chrome will now default to the device instead of OBS. And after that, open OBS Studio. If OBS Virtual Camera is running, click Stop Virtual Camera. Go to your video sources and delete any source that is linked to the virtual camera. By doing this, OBS can no longer send any video output via the virtual device, effectively disabling it. And that's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe for more videos. See you in the next one.